To access Enterprise Client Virtualization from a device with VMware installed, double-click the VMware Horizon Client icon on your desktop. Select the bjcfmd.carenet.org server icon. If you do not see the icon, click on New Server at the top left of your window. Enter bjcfmd.carenet.org as the connection server, and then click Connect. Depending on the computer, you may be automatically logged directly into your virtual desktop. If not, go ahead and log in using your wustl credentials. Be sure to use accounts for the domain. If you use multiple monitors, you will need to change your display preference before launching your virtual desktop. Right-click on the virtual desktop icon, select Display, then select Windows Large. If your virtual desktop doesn't automatically launch, go ahead and double-click on the Washington University All icon to launch it. Now you're logged in and ready to go. Some of your applications will automatically log you in. To access your email while on your virtual desktop, open the Outlook web app. You can still access the full version of Outlook on your local desktop. You can toggle between your local desktop and your virtual desktop by minimizing your virtual desktop. To re-access it, just select the VMware icon on your taskbar. Once logged into a session, it will follow you no matter where you log in from, such as from your home, to the coffee shop, to the office, or in the exam room. For additional security, the screen will lock after 15 minutes of inactivity. Simply use your wustl credentials to log back in and pick up where you left off. If you need to lock your computer, select Send Ctrl-Alt-Delete at the top of the window and then select Lock this computer. If it's been more than 4 hours since your last login, you'll be prompted for your wustl password. Your session will open right where you left off. It's important to note that your session will automatically reset after 13 hours and any unsaved work will be lost. So remember to save your work often.